You're a touch away from impressing with the Barista Touch Impress. It has the Impress puck system, giving you a precise, mess-free tap and step-by-step barista guidance, which assists you as much as you like. With Auto MilQ, which can precisely texture dairy, as well as oat, almond and soy milk for silky smooth microfoam. Enjoy the ability to save your settings for next time. Plus, it has 30 grind settings, so you can get the best coffee from just about every bean. It's all thanks to the 4 keys formula, just like a professional cafe machine. You're a touch away from mastery with the Barista Touch Impress from Sage.